To use PayPal for Amazon in 2025, you need to start by creating a PayPal account if you do not already have one. Go to the PayPal website and sign up for an account by providing the required information such as your name, email address, and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by PayPal. Once you have a PayPal account, go to the Amazon website and sign in to your Amazon account. Click on the Account and Lists option and then click on Payment Options. Click on Add a Payment Method and select PayPal as your payment method. You will be redirected to the PayPal website where you will need to sign in to your PayPal account. After signing in, you will be asked to authorize Amazon to charge your PayPal account. Click on Agree and continue to complete the linking process. You can now use PayPal to make purchases on Amazon. When you are ready to make a purchase, select the item you want to buy and click on Proceed to Checkout. Select PayPal as your payment method and click on Continue. You will be redirected to the PayPal website where you will need to sign in to your PayPal account and confirm the payment. It is essential to note that you need to have a confirmed address on both your PayPal and Amazon accounts to avoid any issues with your payment. Also, ensure that your PayPal account is funded or linked to a credit or debit card to complete the payment. Using PayPal to make purchases on Amazon provides an additional layer of security and protection for your transactions. PayPal also offers buyer protection, which can help you to get a refund if your purchase does not arrive or is not as described. In conclusion, using PayPal for Amazon in 2025 is a straightforward process that requires you to create a PayPal account, link it to your Amazon account, and then use it to make purchases. By following these steps, you can enjoy the benefits of using PayPal, including an additional layer of security and protection for your transactions.